This 2021 CrossRoads Cruiser Aire County Route 28 BBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clermont, New Jersey, 08210 and is offered for sale by Driftwood RV Center. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Driftwood RV Center.